Hi, this is Kapil. Yakhani. It's a Kashmiri cuisine's one of the most popular slow-cooked dishes. Actually, it's a broth consisting of meat, some aromatics and curd. But it's so easy to make at home. So I'm making quicker version of Murgh Yakhani. So let's start. It's such a homely and comforting dish. First goes desi ghee. So next I'll add bay leaves, black peppercorns, black cardamom, and just slightly press it. And green cardamoms, just open the pods. And next I'll add fennel seeds. And let the fennel seeds crackle. And next I'll add ginger, garlic, quickly stir. And next I'll add chopped onions. And I'll add a pinch of salt. I'm going to saute onions for 1 minute till they are pink and translucent. And whenever you are making yakhni, always use chicken on bone. And prefer using chicken thighs, chicken legs. Now mix chicken with onions and all the masalas. And I'm going to sear the chicken. Let it cook in ghee and other spices for 2 to 3 minutes till it is slightly golden brown in color. Chicken is seared nicely, it is golden brown in color. Now the time to add the main ingredient of yakhni, which is curd. This curd will give Murgh Yakhani desired consistency. You can't keep Kashmiris away from saffron, right? So here goes a good pinch of saffron. Now mix everything together. And you have to cook it at high flame, keep stirring in between till you see the moisture is almost gone. And now to make yakhni the same consistency, the desired consistency, I'm going to add chicken stock. Now I'm going to let it cook at low flame for at least 20 to 25 minutes till the flavors are nicely infused. So cover the lid and cook it for 20 to 25 minutes. So Murgh Yakhani has been cooking for about 25 minutes and it is done. So now is the time to serve. So do try this easy and flavorful broth recipe of Murgh Yakhani at home. Share your feedback with me. Till then, take care and goodbye.